Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess eye pencils. These rich and creamy pencils glide on effortlessly to define the eyes and add colour without tugging or pulling at the delicate skin around your eyes. These pencils have been naturally formulated with certified organic waxes and oils, and they come in two shades, Night, which is black, and Tiger's Eye, which is brown, and the shade that I'm going to demonstrate today. To use the eye pencils, glide them along the top and bottom lash line, and then take a clean definer brush and blend over the top for a softer look. Alternatively, you can use the same definer brush, pick up some of your favourite Kylie's Professional eyeshadow and blend it over the top for a smokier look. So I'm going to start by taking it over the top lash line, and this does not have to be perfect because we are going to smoke it out. So just try and get as close to the lash line as possible, but don't worry too much if it isn't 100% neat. You could also take it into the lower waterline. Now I'm going to take a precise definer brush and gently smooth along the edges to just soften the eyeliner. And this is why the pencil doesn't have to be perfect, because we are blending it out and it's just going to soften any harsh lines. So already you can see just by applying the pencil and blending it out how it's really defined my eye shape. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side. Again, just using small strokes close to the lash line, but again, don't have to be perfect. And then taking my clean definer brush and just running it over the top. So you can see that just by applying the eye pencil and blending it out with the brush, it's really defined my eyes and made them pop. I'm going to go and apply a coat of mascara and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. So here's the finished look, and I really love how it turned out. All the shadows blended together so seamlessly, and the addition of the eyeliner has really helped to define the eye and finish off the look. The Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess makeup range is vegan, cruelty-free and Australian certified toxic-free, making it safe and gentle for all skin types.